Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I am showing how to make bird's nest tea light holder using waste materials. There was a puja in temple. They served prasadam in this dried leaf bowl. I preserved it so that I can make some craft. Apply some fevicol and spread it evenly. These are coconut husks. Remove each strands as shown. This is how it looks after you separate them. Do not throw away the powders. You can use them as well. Roughly spread the coconut husk as shown. Next, for making birds, I am using chocolate wrapper. You can use any wrapper of this kind. You can use aluminium foil as well. Make the bird as shown. Kids will love this process, so please do with your kids. You will love it. I have colored the battery operated tea lights with brown color. Make small eggs using clay. This is how it looks after completing. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.